Do you really think PHP traits solve the multiple inheritance problem? Let's break it down with practical example. Suppose we have user class that handles common functionalities like register, login, logout, update profile and get user details. Now, we create an admin class that extends the user class, so it inherits all of these common features. But admin also has its own features. Next, we have a seller class. Again, it extends the user class and adds its own seller-related logic. Next, we have a super admin class. It also extends the user class with its own set of functions. Now here's the problem. What if a super admin class wants to access both admin class and seller class functionalities? In PHP, we can't extend more than one class, means no multiple inheritance. So, how do we solve this? Option 1. Use traits. Let's convert the admin class and seller class into traits and use them inside super admin. But here's the problem. If admin class and seller class are turned into traits, they lose access to the user class they originally extended. So, they can't use methods like login, register, or update profile, which is not good. So, traits are great when you want to reuse specific functionalities, not full class logic with inheritance. So instead, we use composition. We keep admin class and seller class as separate, and inside the super admin class, we create objects of admin and seller inside its constructor. That way, super admin can access both admin and seller's full methods. But wait, here's the problem: creating admin and seller objects directly inside super admin, which tightly couples them, and we cannot perform unit testing. So, we inject admin and seller class object from outside, and this is called dependency injection. It's easier to write unit tests because the classes are loosely coupled. I hope this clears up your doubts in PHP.